Yeah!
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 Who's the white person?
Yeah!
Okay. And I got like a YouTube channel. So today we are going to try some Korean bubble tea.
He's good.
Man, no fucking shit!
Yes, it's called. What is it called?
Bubble tea.
And Vomto.
En vomito.
Okay. So Katie and Maddie is going to do the ASMR of opening the cans.
Yes, boss. I was getting to it. Treat me like I'm a.
Okay. Okay, so what we do that first?
You can taste vomito. You can taste
Okay,
vomito.
take a glass, take a glass.
Vomito. Yeah.
Okay, we saw that side.
Yeah. Okay, okay.
What flavor is that?
Open.
Can you show the camera?
This is peach iced tea. I taste the use.
I just want the balls.
Say what? Say what? Say what?
1, 2, 3. Oh, you did it right. Okay, you want
Are we
open.
giving this out
Okay.
our taste this reviews afterwards? I don't want the balls.
It's okay. Tastes like peach iced tea.
What is it? But the balls don't even have like the balls like right. Tastes like peach, guys. I don't want to taste the balls, but I don't want the balls.
like tea.
It don't taste like peach, it tastes like peach.
Tastes like peach.
I said it tastes like tea.
What do you think?
I don't want the balls.
We rate it.
Out of 10. Okay, then no rate out of 10.
Okay,
9.
out of 10. 9.
A 9.
And you?
Me. 4.
I like it. It tastes like tea.
And you?
I think
7.
the 6.
I give it a 6 because I don't like the balls in my mouth.
Yes, I agree. No balls in the mouth.
The next one is mango iced tea.
Mango iced.
Yeah. Why is all the balls the same
I'm sorry,
color?
the balls is coming out.
This is mine. That's yours.
Okay,
Oh, this is yours.
I had a brush.
corner.
Sorry.
The balls, I wanna go to you.
Can I just tell him what is the ball look like?
Yeah.
Oh,
They don't look like the balls.
it popped in your mouth like as
Blech.
it's got in your mouth.
I don't like this one.
What flavor is this?
Mango. Why does it taste exactly like the other one?
This one.
I actually like this one. I like mango flavor stuff.
Big valid I use
I
it.
like the juice, but I don't like
They
the...
missed the mango.
This one's not best nice.
Connor's enjoying it.
No, I'm not.
No,
I
I
love
think
balls in it.
I don't like balls.
I like mango. It is a juice for me. But I'm not eating Nemo.
You like it?
You get back portion then.
Bro, I don't want the balls.
Kono, why is this here?
I don't want the balls.
Kono, why is this here?
I like this
You're
one.
drinking it the wrong way. That's
Don't
supposed
mention
to be at the
Exactly,
bottom.
don't
I like it, but I don't like the balls.
I also don't like the balls.
And you keep for it.
Rating? 4. 4, damn it. I say 5. I like the mango.
I think Mr. Ronaldo.
I give it a 7 because I like mango, but I don't like the balls.
Oh, that is your shape.
Yes. That's my one.
Yes, there is.
But why is it so like plastic? It's like you left with plastic.
It does taste like that, but
I don't know, but
there's different one also.
Isn't it like a jelly one? What is this one called? This is an apple one.
People, I'm gonna allow it.
That means it's nice.
It's nice.
Hey,
The balls is just falling
I
out.
want to see dog.
That's
All you're gonna hear in this video is balls, balls, balls all the time.
Oh.
This one is very small.
Oh, why does it look so like
Can I not taste it?
The balls in the line.
Connor, why are you backwards? Put your mouth over the straw and stuff it.
No.
Why are you gay?
Yeah, okay.
Nah, this one's not nice.
Okay, wait.
I believe off with it.
I like it.
You like it?
What?
It's apple.
Apple, yeah.
It's apple, man.
That one's in the taste like a bill, yeah.
I don't like this
This
bubble
is the
stuff.
money.
I don't like the waste money. And then 48 voice.
140, damn it.
But that one's gonna be late to me. But it's not over.
Yeah, this is nice.
Yeah, this is
I'm gonna wait for this.
You like it?
We like black balls.
I like to choose.
Cream to... You will take it so big.
Guys, rating,
This is the
rating.
worst one. I give it a 3, bruh.
I also give it a 3.
I give it a 5. I give him a... What can I say? A 6.
I know, that was the worst one. It,
Apple.
it tastes like 5 you choose in a pouch.
This is what
But it's Bumto, and if you're OG, you remember this.
If you're old like those two.
That go to last.
Yeah.
What are you?
I'm 4 years younger than Chakra.
25 then you.
So label.
Yeah. For me.
I'll skip it up with others because you're black.
Yeah.
Cut it out, please. That's so racist.
Ik kon het laten.
Black Lives Matter.
Last one. Bumta
The
bumta.
last one.
This is a name, but this is 0. That's why they have no sugar.
But that is liquor.
Liquor now.
This takes me back
Bumto.
to my childhood when I was running around bare feet.
Ay, bumta.
11 at the time. No, I'm joking. That's
Ay,
exactly.
bumta.
I give it a 7.
Bumta was 10.
And me, I give it a 10.
I give it a 9.
I give it a 7.
What do you give bumta?
9-5.
I give bumta 10, Baba.
Just be honest, it tastes like a Fanta grape. That way
Please,
too.
Robert.
Als we dat old school
You've
doen.
never tasted a strawberry, that's why.
Come on.
Leave me alone, please leave me alone.
Leave me alone, please leave me.
Okay, who's going first?
They don't like it at all.
Can you go in first?
Now we make it.
Can we all taste it together?
Okay, fine. Must you open on a spoon?
Yeah.
Yo, I'm gonna like this bad, bruh. I don't like strawberries.
Then must you
You
pay
can
first.
eat this.
And the thing,
You can eat this.
just for the back. Then you can pay the.
Aaron, I'm eating.
No, that Daniel.
I have to know, but you go first.
Aaron. God, my all eating at the same time.
I don't have another spoon.
Nah, man.
gonna play you. What happened to my
Tish.
Why are you eating? We're supposed to taste it together.
Which one I should buy?
first eat?
No, don't eat it. Must all eat at the same time.
How could
Okay, now.
Aaron, your turn.
Can I put it on you? Can you
I don't like strawberries in the name of the Lord.
take that one there for the chocolate on more chocolate because I don't want to taste strawberry. Okay. Are you ready? Any more?
Daniel ate it.
Daniel?
Bram!
Just fine, taste me, just taste me.
Okay.
Don't you want yours one?
I'll take it.
I don't eat strawberry.
The chocolate's nice.
Mm.
And I like
Oh.
it.
Oh, the strawberry.
Sour.
Not the quiet one.
I don't want to eat, man.
Eat
Why?
it.
Don't vomit, yeah.
Nice.
Don't eat the strawberry one. Don't vomit, say it.
Yeah, what you
Yo, put it in your mouth, in your. Negative. Okay, right, Maddie? Hey, okay.
9.
9.
I like it.
1 because I like chocolate.
I like chocolate.
I say 8, yeah.
I give it a -1, but
Why?
the strawberries is
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care. Let me tell
9. That's
And you, Sakyo?
I said 8.
For watching me vomit and watching us taste boba and that is boba and Bumto, nice. But yeah, we see in another video whenever we taste this. But thank you for watching. Very please. Amen.
Very please.
खत्म बाय बाय टाटा गुड बाय